Every time you create a new page, you will notice in the options toolbar in the bottom right-hand corner, it will be listed as Save Draft. This means that currently this page is only for you to view, and if your domain was already live and people could access it, they won't be able to see this page because it's in draft mode. To publish it so that people can view it on the internet, select the options on the right and you will see that we have a few options here. The one at the bottom, Publish Page, and when I select that, you will see that now the button has switched to say Update. This means save. Every time you make changes now on the page, you can save it from here. By publishing the page, it is now available for people to view as they would as a visitor. To see how this page will look for that visitor, next to this you have the Preview button. Select Preview and this opens a new tab in your browser and it will show you the page as it is at that moment. Scroll down to the bottom and let's make some changes to this block that we had previously worked with. I want to delete it, so I'll go to the block options and I'll select the trash can and remove it. The moment I did that, I made a change to the page. Note then that here in the bottom in the options toolbar, the update has been highlighted. This indicates to you that there has been changes on the page and that you should save it. You can select Update or you can use the shortcut key Ctrl+S, Command+S for an easier way to get to that save function. Now when I select Preview, it opens another tab in my browser, and as I scroll down you will see that that block has been removed. Very simple. If at some point you want to revert back to a draft copy and you don't want this to be a live option for visitors to access, you simply go again to the options toolbar, select the options and switch to draft.